Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fire truck from a gorilla cart, or a cart that's very similar to this one. The dimensions shown here are all in inches, and you can use corrugated twin wall plastic sheet from Home Depot or cardboard. Once you have your cardboard already labeled and marked, you can go ahead and cut the pieces. The dimensions I showed earlier are mainly to maximize the use of your full 4x8 sheet of plastic. Once you've cut up one of the templates, it's a good idea to do a test fit before you work on the others. Once you're dialed in for all the mounting patterns on one side, you're ready to transfer that to the other side. You're now ready to mask and paint with any pattern you would like. Any kind of spray can will also work for this. If you get some overspray, Goof Off will easily remove it. Once the paint has dried up, you can add headlights. I went ahead and added rectangular type headlights and tail lights just because it was easy to do. Also, I ended up uniting two pieces together because I wanted to have one of the sides easily removable, as this cart allowed for that type of feature. The top piece is completely optional. I ended up having to reinforce it just a little bit more with some of the same corrugated plastic, as I wanted to add some extra lighting for the top. I printed on regular paper from a home printer all the extra details you see here and used Gorilla spray-on adhesive to add them to the sides. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please hit subscribe and follow me for many more ideas to come.